Yeah, so trying to go outside was an interesting thing. I got a face full of snow. Oh yeah, look at that. Hey Richard, come here and look at this. We got a big old snowdrift over here in front of the door. Honey, look at that. That's my front door. Seems to be a little bit worse out here. You can see the snow just whipping around the houses. It's pretty bad. Everything's iced over. That's our dryer vent right there. That's my youngest son's window. See, look at all the icicles. Just piled on the snow. I'm getting a face full of snow there. It's really windy. I mean, you can just see it. It's totally windy. Wind is everywhere. Oof. Every time I turn that way, I get a face full of snow. It's my van. I don't know if I'm crazy or stupid for playing boats for coming out here. Ooh, man, that wind's going. Oh. This is much worse than Saturday. Way worse. This is crazy. Why am I out here? Why am I doing this? I don't know why I'm out here. Oh, that's cold. Man, it's freezing. Okay, so I ventured out enough. Now I'm going back to my safe little house.